Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a physical education class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is chapter 8, page number 93, 94, 95, reading plus discussion. Look, this is our lecture number 9. So in this connections, I request all of my students of class 9 to open your physical education, health science and sports book, page number 93. Page number 93, its title is, look here, team game or group game. Look here, it is group game. Games are inevitable for students at school. Games help students to develop physically and mentally and to acquire social qualities. The main aim of games and sport is physical and mental development together with enjoyment. Games and sports keep body and mind fresh and help to build character. Participation in team games help grow as good citizen by acquiring social qualities such as teamwork, obedience, law abiding, following the leaders, a sense of disciplines. Now we will go to next page, page number 94. Page number 94, lesson 1, rules and regulations of games. Football. Look at the title, it is football. Okay. Our today's discussion on the game, it is football. Football is an ancient game. In course of time, this game has become a modern game. Modern football originated in England, and again rules of football were also formulated in England. Due to its huge popularity, the games has spread all over the world. Though Bangladesh is a small country, still football is a very popular game here. There is an international body to control football, namely Federation of International Football Association, short from FIFA. FIFA, in full form it is Federation of International Football Association. This organization came into being on 21st May in 1904 in Paris. With initiatives and cooperation from these organizations, football has spread in many countries. As a member of FIFA, Bangladesh has popularized the game all over the country. Football is the most popular game in the world. There are 17 rules to organize and conduct the football games. FIFA ensures formulations and implementation of these rules. Therefore, this game is held all over the world, maintaining same rules. Players abide by the rules and the referee implements the rules properly and neutrally. So this game has become enjoyable and exciting. The rules are discussed sequentially below. Number 1 point, playing field, rectangular. Look at the diagram of a football field. Playing field, rectangular. Playing field is the most rules of football. The maximum length of the field is 130 years and the minimum length is 100 years. The maximum width is 100 years and the minimum is 50 years. The measurement of playing field is at international level would be a number, length 120 years, width 80 years, length 115 years, with width 75 years, length 110, it is 75. Any one of these above mentioned measurements of field is used for competitions at international and international level. But for school children, playing field may be in length 100 years and width 15 years. Now we will go to next page. So look at the rules number, it is line marking white. The white of the is length not exceeding 5 inches. The name of the line is touch line and white line is called goal line. Point number 2, goal area. 6 yards from each goal post and extended 6 yards in the field of play are joined with parallel goal, like its length is 20 yards. So dear students, in this connections, look at the picture of goal area here. I think you can see it of your book, page number 94. Okay, the bottom of your page, goal area. Okay. Next it is 3, penalty area. 18 yards from each goal post and extended 18 yards into the field of play are joined with parallel goals line. Its length is 44 yards. The rectangular are within its called penalty area. 4th number, penalty mark. A 9-inch radius mark or which is the ball is placed for a penalty kick is called the penalty mark. This mark is in between two goal posts 12 yards away from the goal line in the field of play. 5th number, corner flag. 4 flags are put in the 4 corners of the playing field. The height of the flag is at least 5 feet. The top of the flagpole will not be sharp and the flag will be on top. There will be 2 flags in the middle, 1 yard away from the touch line on either side of the field, which is optional. 6 number, corner area. From each flagpole or a quarter circle having a radius of 1 yard is drawn with inside the field of the player. The corner kick is made from this corner area. Goal post. The height of the lower edge of the crossbar is 8 feet from the ground and the distance between 2 goalposts is 8 yards. There is a net to cover the goalpost from the back side. The net is hung in such a way that the goalkeeper should not feel any disturbance or obstacle. 8 number, center circle. There is a circle of 10 yards radius in the middle of the mid line. This circle is known as center circle. 2 number, it is ball. The ball will be spherical in shape and it will be made by the leather and similar kind of products. It will be filled with air. Players. A football team is formed with 18 players, 11 members with play and 7 members will be stand by or extra players will be stand outside the playing field, but in a regional or international football competition the members may be reduced. Last point, it is equipments of players. This is our last point of page number 95. The compulsory dress for a football player is a jersey or shirt, shorts or half pants, socks, shins, skirt and boots. Players cannot wear a dress or a thing that can be dangerous for others. Okay, dear students, with this today we have finished our lecture number 9 from chapter 8, page number 93, 94 and 95. So please keep practicing at home and see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.